Hello everyone and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe is the famous Pav Bhaji recipe which all of us love. But the speciality of my recipe today is that it's going to be quick, easy, few ingredients and ready in few minutes. So basically if you're in a hurry to prepare something, you want to make something quick because your family is hungry, you're hungry, or some guests have arrived, unexpected guests, and you want to impress them with some real good pav bhaji, then this is the recipe to go to. It doesn't have a lot of ingredients, just a few vegetables, a pav bhaji masala, and you're all set to go. So the specialty about today's recipe, or the special feature of today's recipe, is I'm excited because I'm going to be cooking in my new stainless steel pan. Doesn't it look amazing? So I'm going to talk about this pan in detail at the end of the video after we make this recipe. And one thing I'd like to mention over here is that this is a three-way cooking pan. So you can use it on your normal gas stove, you can use it on your induction gas stove as well as your electric gas stove. You can see that the bottom of the pan is called a sandwich bottom, and it's really very good and heavy so that your food doesn't get burnt. It gives even cooking and it looks so good too. And plus the handle doesn't heat up. It's nice and solid and the food doesn't get burnt. Plus it's very easy to clean. So I'll talk to you about it in detail, and I'll also be giving you my honest review after making my recipe as to whether I really like this pan or no, what are the good features and the bad if any. And also the best part about this is that if you want to order a pan like this, then I'm going to leave the link below in the description box. All you have to do is go and click on the link and order your product. I'll also leave my email address in case you have any questions about the product. So without much further ado, let's jump straight ahead into today's lovely recipe. So here I have my apron on and you've seen all the ingredients that I've shown you. So now let's start with the recipe. That the vegetables are cooking really quickly. I don't have to wait for a long time for the vegetables to get cooked. And the handle, it doesn't get heated up at all. It's so easy to handle the pan. It's really a dream come true for me. So the vegetables are getting fried and the aroma of all the vegetables also is really amazing. that butter trick. What the butter does is it adds a little bit of its own flavor. And now since we're going to be simmering this for just about 5 or 10 minutes, stirring in between, don't forget to stir in between and just check that everything is coming together. And keep it on a very low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes, checking on it every time. And then you will see after 10 minutes that the flavor of the butter has nicely got itself incorporated into the pav bhaji. So let's see you after 10 minutes. Wasn't that a real simple recipe? Quick and easy. So you all should try out this recipe and let me know in the comments section as to how you liked it. And what do you think of this lovely pan? Are you going to order it? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I would like to know, and leave a thumbs up if you are going to order this pan, so I know that you really like this video and you would want to see more products like this and more videos like this and more recipes like this. So this pan is really amazing, and like I've shown you, it's so easy to clean and it looks brand new every time. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. So I'll see you soon. Bye.